Hello, this is part 13, Equip Weapon. In this video I show how to equip weapon and to unequip weapon. That means to holster and unholster the weapon. I'll show the changes I made on BP player character. I added this blueprint holster and unholster and this variable weapon and holster. On the animation blueprint, I added the equip and unequip blueprints, and on the anim graph I added these slots for equip and unequip. On the skeleton, I added this socket called holster. I added two montage for equip and this one for unequip. I'll show the one for equip. Inside each one I created a notify and I created a slot. Under content, anim starter pack, UE4 mannequin, mesh. Double click UE4 mannequin skeleton. Highlight spine 03, right click, add socket. Change the name of the socket to holster. You can save this but leave it open for now. Select a holster, right click, add preview asset, search for rifle, select assault rifle B. You can save this but leave it open for now. First I'm going to show you how to adjust the gun and get it into the basic position. You want the gun pointing down. And you want the handle pointing to the right when you're looking at the character from the back. So the handle is in the correct position. And you can save this for now, but keep this open. Now go to the animation tab and search for equip on the asset browser, and then double click on equip rifle standing, and then you need to stop the animation and position it so the hand is at the position where it's grabbing the gun like this, and then you have to adjust the gun into the hand, and I've already done that here. It takes a while. And if you don't have it right, you can come back and adjust it again later. But this looks like it's pretty good adjustment here. And then when you're done, save that and close. Under Content, Anim Starter Pack, search for Equip. Right click, Equip Rifle Standing, and create Anim Montage. I'm going to name this Equip Rifle Standing Montage Equip. Double click Equip Rifle Standing Montage Equip. Now you want to adjust the animation so he's at the point where he's grabbing the gun. That looks pretty good there. Then go down to Notify and right click on the red line where it stopped. And then add Notify, New Notify. And then I'm going to name this Equip Weapon. And then click on the Notify and under Event change Montage Tick Type to Branching Point and save this and close. Double click Equip Rifle Standing Montage Equip. Go to Anim Slot Manager, add slot. I'm going to name this Rifle Standing Equip. From the drop down, select Rifle Standing Equip and save and close this. Now you need to repeat the procedure you used to create Equip Rifle Standing Montage Equip and create Equip Rifle Standing Montage Unequip. I'll double click this. On this one you create a notify called Unequip Weapon, and you can copy the values from notify begin time and notify frame and just enter them here manually. On Montage Tick Type, change it to Branching Point, enter Rifle Standing Unequip for the slot, and change this drop down to Rifle Standing Unequip. Under Content, Team TPS, Characters, Common, Animations, double click ABP, UE4 ASP, Hero TPP. I added this section. Everything else is the same, but I rearranged some of the nodes. So I'm going to show this section first. To get these nodes, you right click, search for slot, default slot, and then select the slot name from this drop down. I'm going to delete this. So I created the Rifle Standing Equip and Rifle Standing Unequip, and these are the exact same here. And then I just rearranged these position of the nodes. So when you're done, compile and save this. Double click ABP, UE4 ASP, Hero TPP. I added this blueprint, Equip and Unequip. This is a cast converted to a pure cast. To do that, you right click and then convert to pure cast. This is anim notify equip weapon. This is grip point. This is a print string with the word equip. This is socket name holster. This is the word unequip. When you're done, compile and save. Under content, Team TPS, characters, player. Double click BP player character. Add this variable, weapon in holster. Type is BP weapon base. I added this blueprint holster and unholster. When you press H on the keyboard, it will holster the weapon. This is a validate and get. To create this, you drag in the variable as a get, then right click, and then convert to validate and get. This is equip, rifle, standing, montage, unequip. This is a print string with the word holster. When you press F, it will unholster the weapon. This is equip, rifle, standing, montage, equip. And this is the word unholster. When you're done, compile and save. I'll press play to test. I'll press H to holster. Okay, you can see the gun's not adjusted correctly, so I'm going to show you how to adjust it. Under content, anim starter pack, UE4 mannequin, mesh, double click UE4 mannequin skeleton. Highlight holster, click on the details tab, enter these values for relative location and relative rotation, X, Y, and Z. Now these values aren't necessarily the perfect values, so you might be able to adjust it better, but these values work good for me. When you're done, save that. Search for Equip, and under Content, Anim Starter Pack, double click Equip Rifle Standing Montage Equip. Right click on the Equip Weapon Notify. Enter this value for Notify Begin Time. And when you're done, save that. And then do the same thing on Equip Rifle Standing Montage Unequip. Right click here, enter the same value and save. I'll press play to test. I'll grab this gun and I'll press H to holster it. Then I'll grab this gun. Now I'll press E to drop it, and then I'll unholster this gun, pressing F, and then I'll get some ammo, and then I'll load up. So I'll press H to holster, and I'll press F to unholster. So everything looks like it's working the way it should.